Are you trying to link your landing page to your email list on GetResponse but don't know where to start? In this quick explainer, I'll show you exactly how to do it, step by step. Stick with me till the end because I'm not only giving you the best way to link everything together, but also showing you an alternative that might actually be a better fit for your needs. Let's dive in. First thing, log into your GetResponse account. If you don't have an account yet, I'll leave a link in the description to help you get started with an exclusive free trial. Once you're logged in, you'll want to go to the Landing Pages section from the dashboard. This is where you can either create a new landing page or edit an existing one. Next thing, let's create or select the landing page you want to link to your email list. If you're creating one from scratch, GetResponse has an intuitive drag and drop builder that makes it easy to design a page tailored to your audience. Don't rush through this part. Make sure your page is optimized for conversions because this is where people will sign up for your email list. Now, once your landing page is ready, go ahead and click Publish and you'll see options to set up your form. This is crucial because you'll want to make sure the form is connected to the correct email list. If you already have an email list, select it from the drop-down menu under the List section. The next thing, you'll need to make sure the form settings are correct. This is where GetResponse shines with its ability to automate the follow-up process. You can select an autoresponder or set up a welcome email to engage new subscribers as soon as they opt in. This makes it a solid choice for automating your email marketing. Once your form and email list are set up, go ahead and save your landing page settings. GetResponse automatically links your form to your email list, so from here on out, every new sign-up on your landing page will automatically be added to the list you selected. The fourth thing to keep in mind is testing. Once everything is linked, test the form to make sure it works as expected. You don't want any surprises when you start driving traffic to your landing page. You can preview the form or even submit test entries to ensure the email list is being updated correctly. Lastly, let's talk about alternatives. While GetResponse is an excellent tool, I have to be honest, it's not always the best choice for everyone. For those focused solely on landing page performance and integrations with email lists, you might want to explore other platforms like ActiveCampaign or ConvertKit. These alternatives offer smoother integrations for email list management and have more flexible automation features that can save you time. Now, I know you came here for GetResponse, and it certainly has its strengths, especially when it comes to simplicity and automation. But if you want a more specialized solution, there are better options out there, and I've linked them below, along with extended free trials so you can try them out risk-free. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. If you're ready to upgrade your landing page and email marketing, check out the links in the description to get started with these platforms that are designed to maximize your success. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to explore the links for your exclusive trial.